Okay guys, I'm freshly showered and I figured I would save my skincare routine so I can do it with you. I've been asked so many times, what do I use on my skin? What's your skincare routine? We're gonna do that tonight. Disclaimer, I'm not acne prone, so I don't have a lot of blemishes. However, I do get dullness, I do get dryness, I do get just like fine bumps and really tiny rash because of the heat in the summertime. So this is what I use to combat anything that I may go through with my skin and just have that really nice even appearance throughout. For my cleanser, I use Roche-Posay. This is the Purifying Foaming Cleanser. It's really light, very gentle, and that's kind of how I like my cleansers anyways. I don't like anything too harsh on my skin. You do not need that much cleanser, to be honest. That was way too much. Now we're all nice and clean. Pro tip, after you've applied your cleanser, rinse your face with warm water, and then at the end you rinse your face with cold water. Warm water opens your pores, cold water closes your pores. Now it's time to apply all our moisturizers and serums and all that jazz. Today's video I'll be using my new products that I was sent by Trinny London. You guys, you already saw me unbox these, and honestly I cannot wait to try them out. Before we do that, we're gonna go in with the products that are already in our routine. And the first thing I like to add on damp skin, I like to add my hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary. I love this stuff. Honestly, ever since using it, I've seen really great results and a drastic difference with the texture of my skin, especially now in the summertime where I have been experiencing a lot of like small fine bumps. I don't want to call it a rash, but since sticking to my routine, they've been clearing up and I've just been seeing a dramatic difference. Normally I would just go in with my Nivea cream, which I use as my moisturizer for my skin, but now since we're implementing these new products, the next product that I'm going to use is my Peptide Serum from Trinny London. I'm just gonna use 3 pumps. I really like how that feels. It's a really nice hydrating serum. Okay. Serum is on. And this is the Intense Peptide Moisturizer from Trinny London. Also gonna use 3 pumps. I will say I like how the product feels on the skin. I like the smell. It smells like a really nice, clean spa. Any leftover products, rub it on your hands because no one likes a crusty hand. So whatever you use on your face, just rub it on your hands. And for my last step, I'm gonna go in with my Naomi Lip Treatment Oil. And now it's time for bed. I just wanted to give these products a try just to see how they feel. They're something that I even want to keep using, and so far I love how they feel. I love how it looks on my skin. It's giving glow, it's giving hydrated, it's giving healthy skin, and yeah, I like that. So I'm gonna keep using them. I will be wearing makeup a couple of times throughout the week. So whenever I wear makeup, I do a more deep cleanse, like I double cleanse and I exfoliate and all that jazz. So I'll be sure to share that with you when I do.